Welcome to our Cinematic Travels channel. We're a couple from England exploring Europe. And beyond. Whatever the weather, we bring you with us through every turn and every view. From historic times to hidden gems. We choose each destination carefully, searching for the beauty of each town and timeless places. Every shot is filmed by us. Using our gimbals and drones to bring you something different. Each frame is carefully chosen. Each moment captured with purpose. It's not just travel, it's passion, patience, and a lot of hard work. It takes time and effort. A lot of filming, a lot of editing. We do it all. To share these places the best way we can. We love the process, and we hope you love the results. So whether you're planning your next trip, or remembering old ones, or just escaping for a moment, we're here for that. So please join us on the journey.